Bad weather still hit Saudi Arabia on April 26, 2023. On Wednesday, heavy rains poured down in a thick papyrus or hailstorm in Al-Quwaiyah in the Riyadh region. And video clips circulated on social media showed how the Ramal Governorate witnessed heavy rain with strong papyrus in Al-Harmaliyah and Al-Quwaiyah. Medium to heavy thunderstorm. It is report on the weather for today. The National Center of Meteorology expected that moderate to heavy thunderstorm will continue. He expected that it would lead to torrential rains accompanied by showers of hail and active wind that would limit the extent of horizontal visibility over Riyadh, Qassim, Hail, Asir, Jazan and Najran.
ما شاء الله تبارك الله هذه شرقة رشيدة حول 5 كيلو هذا عقب.
While the opportunity is still ripe for thunderstorm accompanied by active winds in parts of the eastern region as well as in parts of the height of the Al-Baha and Makkah Al-Mukarramah regions. On the other hand, some desert area in Saudi Arabia turned almost completely white due to enormity of the hailstorm that hit.
ما شاء الله تبارك الرحمن اليوم 16,444
Many residents suffer losses due to hailstorm damaging cars' windows, roof of residents' houses, and several local public facilities. Saudi Arabian citizens are encouraged to be careful when doing activities outside the house because the road around becomes slippery due to papyrus. At the same time, the civil defense called for caution against thunderstorm in most regions of the kingdom, stressing the need to stay away from torrential rains, swamps, valleys, and dams.
تهطل 7 برديات متتالية هكذا تكون النتيجة. أسفلت يصير متناثر.
ما شاء الله تبارك الله.